We're at Bloor and Landsdown, taking the subway out west. What a beautiful day. Sunny day, October. Let's go. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperatures are gorgeous. 5:10 actually. I guessed it, but I was 10 minutes off. This is Landsdown and Bloor. October 2023. How's everybody doing? Trashed up city, yeah. Some graffiti on the walls, always a sign of creativity. Right. So we're gonna get in the subway. I was taking a subway, jumped off the subway, walked a couple of stops, made a few films, and jumping back on the subway. Wonder if my card's gonna still work or if we have to pay fresh money. I don't know, we're gonna find out. If you join the channel for the first time, I do walking, biking, and also sometimes biking, but mostly we cover walking videos, subways, and that Toronto Freedom Rallies every Saturday. We cover that. Here we go, subways. Action, go. This is a subway line 2. Toronto's got 2 subway lines, major subway lines, 1 and 2, and this one is the number 2. All right, let's go for the, which gate do we pick? Hopefully. Oh, free transfer, good. There we go. Now here we are, here's the subway ticket guy. Sometimes they're not there. And sometimes you have, I'm wearing sunglasses. The sunglasses are kind of dark inside. So this guy's a snack shop, closed snack shop. And I think it's some transfer machines. Do they work? They do. I don't know what these things do. I think before the TTC card, if you needed to get on a bus at the end of your train ride, like if you went to Jane Street and you wanted to take the bus, you needed one of these. If you didn't have one of these, you had to pay again. They wouldn't let you on the bus. It used to be the cause of a lot of disagreements and arguments about passengers and bus drivers. Because some places, the bus would actually come in the station and you didn't require these. And some stations, you had to come out of the station and get on the bus, and you did require this. So I remember these things was always a problem with people arguing, and I paid and I didn't pay, and especially students. I remember that happening a lot. I don't know if you kind of need this anymore or not, but I don't know. They still have it. I just figured gives you a timestamp, 5:13 p.m. It's evidence. Here comes the train. Beautiful. I like it when you show up here, walk to the beginning of the platform, talk a little bit, and the beautiful TTC arrives. All the ceilings are messed up. Well, this one is a bit too busy. We're gonna wait for the next one. Yeah, I think we'll wait for the next one.
Line 2, North Kipling.
Line 2, North Kipling. Let's film this one, people coming in. Thanks. She's like, you coming in? I'm good. She's waving to me. I think she wanted me to get on the bus with her. Oh, I missed my chance. Film mission. The cute lady on the train kept winking at me. Get on the train. Whoa, beautiful. Well, we're just making a film. I was saying all the ceilings are messed up for some reason. Anyway, let's wait for the next train. Having a good time on the subway line. Yeah, look at this, all yanked out. I wonder why. There's a security camera up there filming us, and we're filming him. Look, there's another train on both sides. Let's film this one and that one. Beautiful. And our train's coming too. I reckon this one is not going to be as busy as that one. You want to bet? Always, when one train is busy, the one behind it is pretty empty. Pretty empty. Is it? Yeah, much better. Not as good, but still good. All right. You're going to be quiet in there.
Line 2, North
Nobody's
Kipling.
getting up. Sorry.
The next station is
Sorry,
Dundas
excuse me.
West.
Thank you. Thank you. No,
Dundas
worry.
West Station.
Dundas West. Dundas West. All right.
Line 2, North Kipling.
Oh, sorry. It's okay. It's fine.
Arriving at Keel Station.
Thanks, man.